Okay, this is a project 2 for the college majors. I'm going to talk about the men's and women's degrees, and the totals are right there, and how women only make up the 41% and men make up 32%. The numbers also show totals that women earned more degrees than men overall in 2016. Some of the popular majors, a lot of the men's were engineering or business, and a lot of the women's were like nursing jobs or more hands-on jobs. But overall, the popular degree is psychology, and I assume because it has good pay. And then the top and lowest earning majors in the charts, like I said, a lot of the engineering get paid more than any of the other degrees. And even though psychology was at the top and most popular, it had one of the lower pays. Then on this chart, it can show you between men and women and how much they make, also correlating with the types of jobs. And you can see that women are often paid less than men, and the men also have jobs that pay more than women's jobs. Why the gap? I think there's a gap between the men and women because of two specific reasons. Like I said before, that men's jobs, they offer more pay, and more men go into that degree or that job, which leads to men earning more money overall in years. And women usually choose, like I said, the nursing job or anything like that, and they get paid less than men.